I wanted to show you this TV stand that we have. I really like it, and there's several things I wanted to point out to you. First of all, you can see that it's a nice size. It just has a really sleek design to it. The color is kind of a whitish cream. I don't know if you can tell that in the video, with black. So it just kind of blends in with everything I have in my room. And then also, you can see on the front, it has two drawers there, and then it's got two shelves on each side, and then where you could place stuff on the top. We actually have our TV up above, and then we just have the sound bar there. But it's actually really good quality, I think. Let me show you up close what it looks like. This is a wood, but I found that when I wipe it down, it just wipes real clean. No issues with that. And then this is the size of the drawers. You can see when I put my hand down in there, like how deep they are. They're these kind of a mesh material, and then it just has the wood look on the front. And there's two of those on the front, and then you can see how deep it is. And it is, I forget how deep it is, but I think it's like 15 inches. And then, so you can see the shelves kind of offset over here, so it just kind of gives it a real sleek, nice design look. But overall, we've been very satisfied with it, so I just wanted to show it to you. If you've been thinking about getting one, I would highly recommend it.